Hi, my name is Dr. Rudra Mohan, and through the Oral Health channel, today we're going to be talking about the role of physiotherapy in oral submucous fibrosis. Let's start. So I've created a lot of content around oral submucous fibrosis. There's a mega episode as well, but I would want to reiterate why am I creating this episode. Because of my vast experience with dealing with OSMF patients, where I probably see around 1500 to 2500 OSMF patients online and offline together combined in a month. Please try to understand that there's one thing that I've understood in my experience and my clinical experience per se, that the most important thing in your OSMF recovery to whatever possible level is actually physiotherapy. You can go for all the modalities possible. You can go for medications, conservative treatment. You can go for injections, intralesional injections, laser excision, even surgery. In all these modalities, the most primary thing, the role that plays in your recovery, to whatever extent, since OSMF is not completely reversible, it is irreversible on a tissue level, that means on a microscopic level, but functionally you can get back your mouth opening and you can get rid of the burning sensation to spicy foods and otherwise. Please understand that the physiotherapy is the utmost important thing. Utmost as in utmost important thing in which plays the pivotal role in your recovery in OSMF. And I've already placed the episode of the physiotherapy exercises before. You will have the link in the description. On top of that, you need to really understand that a lot of people generally, when they're using a mouth opening tool, the link of which I'll also put down in the description, they tend to use it to failure. What I'm trying to say is when they're trying to open their mouth, they're trying to do it till the point it starts to hurt or it's very stuck. Now that's not right, because it's going to create more scar formation, more inflammation in your, in the cheek and the musculature. And that's what's going to cause more contracture. This is one very mistake prone point that a lot of patients tell me about it, that I tried my best to open it further and then it got even more contracted. So always do it one step below failure. And there is a cardinal rule that will give you the most effective results, which is 7 into 7 into 90. That's 7 minutes per 7 times a day into 90 days. That means for 90 days, you're supposed to do it for 7 minutes every day for 7 times. It seems like a short duration, but trust me about it. 7 into 7 is 49. That's almost an hour, 49 minutes of your time in the day cumulatively. Now, the exercises that I have given on my channel, those ones do not require a mouth opening tool. However, if you want the mouth opening tool, again, I'll reiterate, you have to make sure that you're not doing it to failure. You have to make sure that you're doing it one step below failure. And that's where you'll get better results along with medications. It's always better to have medications. You can contact me on WhatsApp regarding the medications as well. And ultimately, to conclude, the role of physiotherapy is the absolute important thing in your OSMF recovery. So this was today's episode. Please like, share, subscribe, and do press the bell icon button for important updates. If you want to get in touch with me, here are my social media handles. Kindly refrain from calling me directly, as I might be busy with patients. Just drop me a message on WhatsApp and I'll take a couple of days or maybe 3-4 days to reply to the messages. Please understand that I have my clinic, I have my patients, I have my teleconsultations, and I have my family, and so many other things that I have to channelize and compartmentalize my time, so I cannot immediately answer your queries. And if you want to visit us, our clinic is in Delhi. On top of that, if you want to call us, if you want to have a call, that would be considered a teleconsultation, which carries a nominal fee. So this was today's episode. Please like, share, subscribe, and do press the bell icon button. If you have any queries, doubts, apprehensions, or insights, please feel free to put them in the YouTube comment section. So that's it for today. Thank you.